Oh, yeah. Oh, they came. Yeah. I've been waiting for these. Wow. Okay. So I can get these old undies off and try these out. So you know how much I love unpackaging new things. And this here is a new pair of underwear. I mean, how much more exciting do it get than underwear? I mean, your undergarment comfort is probably one of the things that you take for granted, but hey, it's nothing like having comfortable balls. I'm just gonna say it. so these are from Shinesty. They're supposed to be nice, high fashion, high quality underwear. Gonna pop them up out of this package and see what they look like on my rear end. All right, so before I open these up, I just want to take a look and make some observations. So, I mean, so the packaging is pretty simple. It's pretty basic, just your standard paper thing. But I like it because it's good for the environment. It's not taking up a lot of green space, as you would call it, or whatever. The logo is pretty simple. It's just color red on white, you know, so it's eye-catching. The name, Shinesty, kind of plays with the word dynasty a little bit, you know, so I like it. So why don't we just get to it and see what we have inside. So here we go. We only get to do that one time. You guys ready? You ready? I don't know. If you're ready, hit the like button, okay? If you're not ready, hit the bell for the notification so you can come back next time and you can see the next one, all right? So here we go. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I can't do it. It's so hard right now. But okay, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna quit playing. But we gonna go ahead and get this thing up there. All right, here we go, guys. This is the moment of truth. We go ahead and rip this thing. Oh, here we go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, we're in for a surprise here. All right, here we go. Let's see what we have here. Oh, wow. Check these things out, guys. Wow. Now, one other thing, and I just talked about this a second ago about the green space that these take up. Check that out. Other uses for this biodegradable bag. They sent us this in a bag that gives us instructions on a way to use the bag without throwing it in the trash. I mean, so one thing it says that this is a very conscious company about the well-being of the planet and of green spaces and the environment. So that's beautiful. But we're here to see what these underwear are like. So wow. I mean, we gotta talk about it all, right? So this is really what did it for me. And I'm just gonna say, like, I thought about this a long time ago and I was researching and I found it and it kind of broke my heart, but they added the ball hammocks. They added, I mean, come on, guys. A ball hammock. I dreamt of a ball hammock and they made it happen. They took my dream and they turned it to reality, but hey, it's here. It's a ball hammock. I don't know if you guys are ready for a visual of my balls in a hammock, but oh, okay. Quality, these things feel nice. Check that out. All right. Wow, look at the graphics on them. So right now we're in the spooky season, guys. It's the Halloween season. Check that out. Okay, comfort. All right, and oh, look at that. What do we have here? We got a ball hammock. We got a ball hammock. Now, okay. So I'm gonna squeeze my balls in the hammock and slide in these undies and see if I can scare somebody with these ghouls and goblins. And we'll be back and see what they look like. Oh man, so all right guys, I'm just gonna say it. My balls are in the hammock. These are pretty damn comfortable. So I left my tags on here. You can see, I don't know what my butt looks like, but it feels pretty good on my butt. I got nice ample space in the thighs. It's, the design is popping. The colors look good. It fits well. The waistband is good. I just say, you know, hey, I'm gonna give it a good rate, and I'm gonna say, if you want to find something to keep your balls healed up, you know, and good quality, exciting colors and design and fabric, I say give it a try, you know. So there you have it. You can do it all just like I can do it all. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the button, comment. Let me know what you think. How was that?